Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're ending the week looking at the commodities of gold and oil after gold jumped over $100 yesterday with peace talks breaking down between the Ukraine and Russia. Donald Trump did say that only peace talks will be negotiated between him and Vladimir Putin. So it's really knocking Ukraine out of the negotiations. But when this will happen, we're not sure. That's why we saw more of an upside on gold yesterday. Currently during the early Asian session so far, we're seeing a slight dip, but if we hold above 3200, we could see an elongated extension above that as well. The black gold, also known as oil, has taken a little bit of a hit with a potential US-Iran nuclear deal on the table. So Donald Trump is expected to talk about that later today. So we could see more of a volatility, on oil as well. But let's just take a look on gold first of all. Like I said, momentous push on the 4-hour chart, intraday chart looking at the moment, bouncing at this double bottom roughly at the lower end of 3100, 3125, and then jumping over 3235. So over $100 added in value. Then we just saw a slight sell-off at that particular region as well. So currently just holding the 3200 area at the moment and potentially looking for more upside and maybe getting back to recent peaks. So a lot of traders were thinking that we did see this bottom now. We did see a potential another record high which fell away, but hitting lower lows, sinking vastly. But now is this the time to pick up and have a V-shaped recovery in the near term at least? We'll have to obviously wait and see, but it's looking likely that there could be a slight recovery for gold, especially if these peace talks do not materialize, and obviously we have the Middle Eastern worries as well ongoing. So especially with the RSI bouncing off the oversold area, we were expecting a slight lift in prices, and now just looking for the next direction, which should be later today. We could get some more news. Just taking a look at oil as well. As I said, it had a little bit of a brief slump and now having a bit of a consolidation. We're waiting to see more talks with this potential deal between America and Iran, if that's going to materialize as well. Lots of talks, obviously fundamental driven. Sentiment is a little bit bearish with oil at the moment, especially coming off this double top on the RSI, looking at this bearish divergence to sink the price action lower. It's in neutral territory at the moment, but still could be seeing more of a potential downside as well. There is still room to go a little bit more lower, especially after this mega rally, you could say, after hitting this multi-month low here below $56. So trading just above 60, it'll be very important to hold on to that handle, because that is at the last double bottom, you could say, and if we do sink below that, then we could have another fresh round of sell-offs as well. So what do you think? Are you trading on any commodities, gold or oil, in the near term? What do you expect to happen? Are we going to hit another peak for gold? Are we going to see more of a slide lower? If we do crack the 3,000 level, that hasn't been done for a while, but the last time we were flirting with that particular level, we had a jump of quite a few $100s to the upside. So could it happen again, and where are we looking to go next? We'll have to wait and see, but as always, we'll bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time around. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye for now.